Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable Do Not Disturb from your Android device. So if you're having any issues while receiving phone calls or messages or even notifications, then there is a high chance that your Do Not Disturb option is turned on. So in order to disable this, simply scroll down from top and see if any toggle like this is enabled which says Do Not Disturb. If that's the case, simply disable this toggle by clicking here. Or if you could not find any toggle in the quick settings, then simply go to your device settings and from here simply search for Do Not Disturb. Then if you will see this option, Do Not Disturb, simply tap on this and simply disable the Do Not Disturb toggle. Once that is done, you're all set and your Do Not Disturb has been successfully disabled. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.